Solution of exercise 2A class 10th math R.S. Agrawal. Math R.S. Agrawal. Question number 13 to 21. 13 question. Find fx is equal to what when alpha is 2 and beta is minus 6. It means alpha plus beta is equal to what and alpha into beta is equal to what, and find fx. We know that fx is equal to x square minus alpha beta x plus alpha beta. X square alpha plus beta is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to 2 plus minus 6. Alpha plus beta is equal to 2 minus 6. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus 4. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus 4. Alpha into beta is equal to 2 into minus 6 is equal to minus 12. Hence alpha plus beta, alpha into beta is equal to minus 12. Alpha plus beta is minus 4. Alpha plus beta is minus 4x plus alpha into beta is minus 12, implies fx is equal to x square minus minus plus 4x minus 12. It is a polynomials and we have to find the relations of these zeros. It means 2 and minus 6 with their coefficient. Now alpha plus beta is equal to minus 4. We can write 4 is equal to minus 4 by 1, implies minus 4. It means 4 is coefficient of x. It means minus, or it is coefficient of x. Coefficient of x by 1. 1 is coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. Alpha into beta is equal to, alpha into beta is minus 12. Minus 12 by 1 implies minus 12. It means minus 12 is constant term. Constant term by 1. 1 is coefficient of x square. It's a relations. Of their zeros with coefficients. Answer. Next question number 14. Question is 14. Find the quadratic polynomials. We have to find their quadratic polynomials. It means fx is equal to what, and find the quadratic polynomials whose zeros are, their alpha is equal to 2 by 3, beta is equal to minus 1 by 4. Verify the relations of coefficients and zeros of the polynomials. Find the relations between the coefficients and zeros of the polynomials. First, we have to find, we know that general form of quadratic polynomial fx is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta implies x square minus alpha plus beta is equal to 2 by 3 plus minus 1 by 4 implies 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus minus minus 12 3 से 4 times 12 minus 3 3 4 2 जा 3 4 जा 4 2 जा 8 12 divided by 3 4 times 4 multiply with 2 we get 8 minus 4 3 times 3 5 by 12 5 by 12 into x plus alpha into beta 2 by 3 into minus 1 by 4 2 2 ja 4 minus 1 by 6 implies x square minus 5 by 12x minus 1 by 6. Now alpha plus beta is equal to 5 by 12 implies 5 by 12 alpha plus beta implies c by minus by 12 the minus coefficient of x by 1 coefficient of x square means 1 and alpha into beta is equal to minus 1 by 6 constant term by coefficient of x square. It's enough. Next question number 15. In question number 15 find the quadratic polynomials. It means fx is equal to what? Question number 15. Find the quadratic polynomials and sum of whose zeros. It means alpha plus beta is equal to sum of zeros 8 and their products alpha into beta is equal to 12. Find the zeros of the polynomials. Question is alpha is equal to what and beta is equal to what, and also we have to find fx is equal to what. Solution. We know that general form of quadratic polynomial is fx is equal to x square alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta implies x square minus alpha plus beta is 8. It means 8x plus alpha into beta 12. Fx is equal to, it is a quad fx in polynomials. Now we have to find alpha and beta of these polynomials. For these zeros of polynomial, we know fx is equal to 0 implies x square minus 8x plus 12 is equal to 0 implies 12 factor of 12 6 3 1 times. We have to 6 or 2 8 6 and 2 8 addition 8 and multiply 12 implies x square minus 6x plus 2x plus 12 is equal to 0. Minus plus 12 multiply minus plus 2 6 are 12 implies in this term x is common. X minus 6 minus 2 x minus 6 is equal to 0 implies in this term x minus 6 is common. X minus 2 is equal to 0. It is possible when x minus 6 is equal to 0, otherwise x minus 2 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 6, x is equal to 2. These are values of alpha beta. It means zeros of polynomial is 6 2. Now in question number 15. Question number 15. Question number 15. In question number 15. 16. Question number 15 is solved. Question number 16. Find the quadratic polynomials. It means fx is equal to what? The sum of the zeros, yani alpha plus beta is equal to 0. And their product is minus 1. Alpha into beta is equal to minus 1. Find the zeros of the polynomials. Then alpha is equal to what and beta is equal to what? It is in this questions. We know that solution. We know that general for quadratic polynomial fx is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta x into alpha beta fx implies fx is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta is 0. It means 0 into x, sorry, plus alpha into beta is minus 1. X square, it is 0, plus minus minus 1. Fx is equal to x square minus 1. Now we have to find the value of zeros of this polynomial. It means fx is equal to 0. Fx is equal to 0 implies x square minus 1 is equal to 0 implies x square is equal to 1. Taking under root both sides, we get x is equal to plus 1 minus 1. These are the zeros of this polynomial. These are the zeros of this polynomial. Now question number 17. Now question number 17. Question number 17. Question number 17. In question number 17, we have to find the quadratic polynomials. It means fx is equal to what? The sum of whose zeros alpha plus beta is equal to 5 by 2 and their product alpha beta is equal to 1. Find the zeros of the polynomials. We have to find alpha is equal to what and beta is equal to what. It's my question. It's my question. Now, we know that general form of quadratic polynomials. General form of quadratic polynomials, it means here fx is equal to what? It's my question. In this question it is given that alpha plus beta, it means sum of zeros is 5 by 2 and also alpha into beta is 1. Then we have to find that alpha is equal to what and beta is what. What's the value of alpha and beta? Solution. We know that by the help of general form of the quadratic polynomials, fx is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta x into alpha into beta implies fx is equal to x square minus 5 by 2x plus alpha into beta is 1. It is a value of fx. Now we have to find that value of alpha into beta. It means fx is equal to 0. It means fx is equal to 0. It shows that x square 5x by 2 plus 1 is equal to 0 implies LCM 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we get by help of cross multiplication 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now factor of these polynomials. 2 to the 4. It means 2x square minus 4x minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Minus minus plus 4 1 ja 4, 2 to ja 4 is equal to, and for this addition of 4x and 4 or 1 it means 5. Now in this term 2x is common, then x minus 2 minus 1 is common, x minus 2 is equal to 0 implies in this term x minus 2 is common, 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. It is possible when x minus 2 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 2, and if 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 1 implies x is equal to 1 by 2. Zeros of this polynomial is 2 and 1 by 2. Its solution of question number 17. 17 number questions. 2, 1 by 2 is 0 and general form of quadratic polynomial is 2x square minus 5x plus 2. It's its solutions. Now question number 18. Now question number 18. In question number 18, in question number 18, in question number 18, in question number 18, question number 18, question number 18, question number 18. In question number 18, find the quadratic polynomials. It means fx is equal to what? And the sum of whose roots is, it means alpha plus beta is equal to root 2 and their product is alpha into beta is equal to 1 by 3. Only we have to find quadratic polynomials in these questions. We know that general form of quadratic polynomials fx is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta implies x square minus alpha plus beta is root 2. It means root 2x plus alpha into beta 1 by 3. It is fx. It is a question number 18. Implies fx is equal to 0 implies x square minus root 2x plus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. Now 1 we are taking 3 LCM. We get 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. Now cross multiplication we get 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Cross multiplication. It is a value of fx. Now question number 19. In question number 19, if x is 2 by 3 and x is minus 3, these are zeros of the polynomials, roots of the quadratic equations. These are the roots of the quadratic equation. That quadratic equation is ax square plus 7x plus b is equal to 0. Then we have to find the value of a and b is what? A is equal to what and b is equal to what? Find the values of a and b. Now in these questions, when x is equal to 2 by 3. I'm now putting the value of x is equal to 2 by 3 in this quadratic polynomials. It means a value of x is 2 by 3 square plus 7, x is 2 by 3 plus b is equal to 0 implies a 2 2 ja 4. It means 4a by 3 3 ja 9 plus 14 by 3 plus 7 2 ja 14 by 3 plus b is equal to 0 implies 4a by 9 plus b by 1 is equal to minus 14 by 3 implies LCM 9. 4a plus 9b is equal to minus 14 by 3. 3 1 times Here left it's 4a by 9 plus 14 by 3 plus b is equal to 0. And now 4a by 9 plus b by 1, and left changed in right form, we can write plus minus 14 by 3. Now LCM of 9 and 1, 9, 9 implies 3 1 ja 3, 3 ja 4a plus 9b cross multiplication is equal to minus 42. Equation 1. Now value of x is equal to when x is equal to minus 3. Now putting the value of minus 3 in this equation, minus 3 in place of x, a minus 3 square plus 7 into minus 3 plus b is equal to 0 implies a 9a minus 21 7 3 ja plus minus minus 7 3 ja 21 plus b is equal to 0 implies 9a plus b is equal to 21 implies b is equal to 21 minus 9a. Second equation, equation 2. Now from equation 1, putting the value of b from 2 in equation 1, 4a plus 9 in place of b, we write b 21 minus 9a equal to minus 42 implies 4a plus 9 into the 18 minus 9 9 ja 81a is equal to minus 42 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 implies 4a or minus 81 in minus 77a is equal to minus 42 or minus 189 implies minus 77a is equal to 9 or 2 11 1 13 9 10 11 9 or 2 11 1 8 or 4 12 or 1 30 minus minus cancel 7 3 ja a is equal to 3 and b is equal to what? Now putting the value of a of in this equation 1, in this equation 1, this equation 1, a is equal to 3, 4 into 3 plus 9b is equal to minus 42 implies 12 plus 9b is equal to minus 42 implies 9b is equal to minus 42 or minus 12. 9b is equal to minus 4 5 2 2 ja 4 4 or 1 5 6 times b is equal to minus 6 implies a is equal to 3 b is equal to minus 6. Proved. Now question number 20. Now question number 20. 19 20. Question number 20. In question number 20, we have to solve this question. In this question 20, Question number 20. In question number 20, if x plus a is factor of polynomial, x plus a is a factor fx is equal to 2x square plus 2ax plus 5x plus 10. A is equal to what? A is equal to what? It's our question. A is equal to what? Now, in this question, x plus a is a factor of these polynomials. It means its value of x plus a is equal to 0, implies x is equal to minus a. X is equal to minus a. Now putting this value in these polynomials, it means 2x square plus 2ax plus 5x plus 10 is equal to 0, implies 2x is equal to minus a whole square, 2ax is equal to minus a plus 5x is equal to minus a plus 10 is equal to 0, implies 2 into minus plus a square plus minus 2a square minus 5a plus 10 is equal to 0, implies 2a square minus 2a square minus 5a plus 10 is equal to 0. It is cancelled, implies minus 5a is equal to minus 10. Minus cancel, 5 to the 10. A is equal to 2. Answer. Now question number 21. In question number 21. In question number 21, it is given that 1 zeros of polynomial is 2. 2 by 3 is 1 zeros. 1 0 of the polynomials. Our polynomials is 3x cube plus 16x square plus 15x minus 18 2 by 3 is a factor of this given polynomials. It means 2 by 3 x minus 2 by 3 is equal to 0, implies. And now in this question number 21, it is given that 2 by 3 is a 1 0 of the given polynomials 3x cube plus 16x square plus 15x minus 18. It is a one factor. It means it is x minus 2 by 3, implies LCM is 3. 3x minus 2 is equal to 0 by 1, implies 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. It means 3x minus 2 is a one factor. Now we divide this polynomial, given polynomials, by 3x minus 2. We will get the value of another zeros. Now 3x cube plus 16x square plus 15x minus 18 divided by 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2, 3x cube. It means x 3 is available, x square. It means 3x cube minus 2x square minus plus 18x square plus 15x minus 18. Now 6 times 6 plus 6 plus 6 x plus 6x 6 3 is 18 x square plus minus 12x minus plus 7 27x minus 18. Now 27 plus 9. In 9 3s are 27 minus 9 2s are 18. Minus plus cancel. It means another zeros, another factor is x square plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. 6x square plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now factor of this 9. Factor of 9. 9 3 3 are 9. 3 1 times. X square plus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now in this fact common x plus 3 x plus 3. In this term x plus 3 is common, x plus 3. So x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3. It means zeros of these polynomials is minus 3. Answer.